How a nail cutter works. A nail cutter is a hygienic hand tool that is used for trimming fingernails, as well as toenails. It consists of 4 main parts: the lever, the pin, the file, and the blades. The lever is connected to the base by the same bolt that connects the 2 main pieces of the base. The bolt is constructed to allow the leverage part to rotate 360 degrees about the bolt. The pin is a small, cylindrical piece of metal that is used to hold the device together. It also allows the lever and file to rotate around for easy storage. The file is connected to the base of the nail clipper by a circular shaft at the opposite end of the clipper. The blades consist of 2 pieces of metal, approximately 2 inches long. When the nail is placed in between the blades, then the lever is pressed to cut nail.